Happy morning, children. And so far, we studied the in social science we have bifurcation or the classification of the chapters. That is history, geography, and social and political science or the political life. So, among these, in history, we have studied so far four chapters. That is when, where, and how, the earliest societies, the first farmers and herders, and the first cities. Now we will be studying about the social and political life um, part. In that we have first chapter is diversity, and in this diversity we'll have the what do you mean by the diversity and meaning, and what are the causes for this diversity. We will be studying in today's class, children. So let's see what is the meaning of diversity and what are the causes of it. Okay. So students begin with the new topic, that is under the social and political life we have chapter diversity. And what is this diversity actually? Difference. So if you compare when we generally talk about any topic in general, suppose in your family or with your friends or with your closemates, the opinions will be differ, is it? One will have on the one suggestion will be differ from the other suggestion. Suppose if you are facing a problem and if you are discussing with a family, the opinion will be different from the what the suggestion given by your friend, is it? And the way you dress up and the way you speak and the way you behave and the food which we eat, all those things is going to be different from person to person, place to place, region to region, and even from time to time. And not only the lifestyle, even the way they think, the way they behave, the way they act, all those things will going to differ from person to person in the different situations. And even the thinking in of one situation may be differ from person to person. Some may think positive, some may think negative. So here what I would like to say is diversity will be the difference of opinion, choices, practices, and the appearance which leads to diversity. So, diversity we can say that diversity is nothing but differences of opinion. When we consider the opinion from the people, for certain people, or when we consider overall the people, large number, the opinion is going to be differ from one family to another family, one person to another person, from one individual to another individual. So the opinions, choices, and the practices is going to be differ. Even the appearance, the outlook of the person is also going to be differ. It may be the hairstyle, it may be the color, it may be the dressing style. When we consider the dressing style, the color, the costumes, and the interest, all this going to be changes, is it? This leads to diversity. So each individual will have their own interest, taste, habits, and thoughts in their thinking, all those things. So each one is different from one another, we can say. So if you would like to look same, what would happen in our society? So all these differences are there, is it? So suppose if the differences are not at all there, how it would be? So it is going to be bored, is it? And it is not going to be nothing interest in life to what is happening, why this is happening, and why we are wearing, why we are leading like this. All these questions might not have come to our mind, is it? So we can say the differences in opinion, choices, practices, and appearance is called diversity. Now let us study in detail what is actually the diversity is been. So, students, diversity is nothing but a state of being different. ವಿವಿಧತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಣುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. So inequality comes or arises when the equality comes into picture. When it is going to arise, because of the lack of resources, lack of availability resources, the day-to-day resources which we are using. It may be food, water, shelter, employment, occupation, education, all those things. There, if it is we are lagging, we are not able to get these things, there will is obviously it is going to be unequal among the people in the society, is it? So this inequality comes when the lack of resources and the opportunity, when we doesn't get the opportunity for the required persons or the required people that are available to the other people. If they are available for the other people, we in the society we call it as unequal. When the desired person does not get the actual position or the opportunity, we call it as a unequal treatment or the treating of unequally. He is rich, he is poor, he is upper caste, he is lower caste, and he is having much money, he is having lower money, he is black, he is white. So this differentiations, treating unequally, treating not as one, is called unequal or inequality. So in simple we can say diversity refers to the state of being different. Different people were. Have you ever imagined that our society would look if everybody looked the same, and same time of clothes, same language, celebrations? So it doesn't make any interesting, is it? So our society consists of different people with a different culture, religion, languages. We are all different in terms of appearance as well, or the outer look or the outer appearance as well, and even the opinions, the statement which we give, and the beliefs. So we practice different religions, different festival, different languages we speak. So the state of being different from one another is called diversity. In simple, we can say diversity refers to the state of being different. So, children, there is also a reasons why these diversity has have been occurred, or why this diversity we are seeing, why we are experiencing this kind of diversity. What is the reason? What is the cause behind it? Because of there are certain reasons for everything which you are facing, is it? So which you are experiencing. So the first one is history and geography and occupational differences and language which we speak and the religion which we follow and the physical characteristics of the people. So all these made the reason for the diversity. So children, the first one is history. So we must not confuse with the diversity with the inequality. While diversity refers to the state of being different, whereas inequality refers to the treating unequal. And inequality comes because of the lack of resources and the opportunity which are available to the people in the society. So for example, inequality emerges out of the caste system. As I said, the caste system divided into the society into different groups. So based on their profession, based on their salaries, based on their luxurious life, we are going to treat the people unequal. So this should not be there. And